I'm Professor Gloryson. I'm in XLRI for the last 19 years. I belong to organizational behavior area. So I started this program on HR analytics around 10 years back. Initially, it was titled as People Analytics, and later we shifted its name into HR Analytics. First of all, this program is designed at an introductory level. In other words, I'm assuming that the participants of this particular program have no mathematical or statistical exposure. It is expected to help you to design an HR analytical, I would say, project and complete it. So the entire focus of this program is to help you in coming up with some kind of a consulting assignment in your organization to address some of the HR challenges through an evidence-based approach. The most important unique feature of this program is the kind of support you are getting from the facilitator. The facilitator is going to take the ownership of you becoming an expert and also mastering HR analytics at an introductory level. So every session of 3 hours is followed up by 2 tutorials wherein you can come and ask your doubts, clarify your doubts, etc. And by the time the entire online module is getting over, before they get into the final project, there is also a hand-holding session. So it's a mix of online and offline component. So here we are going to teach you how to start the entire journey by identifying a central problem, how to get the support of a sponsor, which are very critical for you to become an HR analytical expert. First learning out of this program is to understand the entire HR analytical process. So remember, there are 6 steps involved in it. As I was mentioning, how to identify the opportunity for an HR analytical project, how to get the sponsorship for that particular project. Then by going through these steps, how are you going to complete it and make sure that your findings are getting implemented in your firm. So we are dividing it into 3 major levels: descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. And as I mentioned before, you will also try to solve some of the problem in your organization through the entire HR analytical capstone project you are supposed to focus towards the last month of this particular program. As I told you that this program is divided into 4 modules. The introductory module, which happens during the first campus visit to XLRI. The second module will help you to become an expert in, let me say, descriptive analytics, wherein you will be having sessions on data visualization, data cleaning, designing of a particular questionnaire for data collection. So similarly, it will also tell you how to do analysis at a descriptive level through multiple examples. The third module will help you to get into making predictions, moving from descriptive analytics to predictive analytics. Which tool to be used in what context, how to interpret the results from predictive analytical tools, how to do qualitative analysis, because around 50% of the analysis by HR professionals are expected to be qualitative in nature, may not be just number alone. Now, moving into the 4th module on prescriptive analytics, you will try to identify what are the improvements an organization need to make. You will also learn about optimizing the initiatives by an organization. You will also try to come up with follow-up HR analytical studies while you're getting some surprise result or lack of results as you were anticipating, or as some of your stakeholders are predicted during the beginning of the entire process. So the 4th module is on prescriptive analytics. In the 5th module, which is a project, what you're going to do is to apply all of them into a capstone project. Remember, during the initial part of the program, we'll be focusing on Excel, which is typically used in every organization. At a later part, you will get an opportunity to learn and use SPSS. During this program, we'll also be introducing you to some more additional tools for qualitative analysis, for network analysis, etc. Now remember, it is up to you whether you need to buy it or not, but my recommendation is always to go for 3-year license, which you may get more than 90% discount if you're going to avail it by using some of the supporting document you will be getting from XLRI and our technical partner. Okay, the eligibility criteria for this program are defined in 2 ways. One, whether you are an HR professional or are you coming from a non-HR background. If you're from HR background, you should be a graduate and you should have 2 years of experience after graduation. But people from non-HR background, especially who are good at numbers, who would like to explore their career prospects within human resource analytics, are also encouraged to be a part of this program. They should have 5 years of work experience after their graduation. First of all, within the field of human resource management, XLRI is the pioneer institute. This is the oldest management institute, and we just celebrated 75 years during 2024 October. Now, majority of the CHROs in India and a significant number abroad are from XLRI. So most of the changes in the field of human resource management are coming from XLRI or through the students who are coming out of XLRI. Since this is a 120-hour program, you are eligible to apply for executive alumni status, which will also increase your networking opportunities with other people who are associated with XLRI. Coming back to JARO, we started to collaborate with JARO 1 year back, the previous batch. So JARO is providing all possible support to the students. So you will be getting into XLRI mostly through JARO, and I'm confident in their ability to address every concern you may be having for whatever nature it may be. I wish you all the best and welcoming you to this particular batch. All the best.